Hello, I've been playing with FSM and I've finally just about managed to get a kind of a hacky but functioning AutoMedic script. So the way this works is when you're in the game and you receive damage, if there is a medic within 100 meters of your location, this medic should come to your aid. So we'll test it out. I've got a quick script that will incur damage. And it'll keep running a check to see if it is near you. When it is near you, hopefully it will heal. And because it's I'm looking for a particular class, medic class, they have medkits, so my damage is back to 0, which is awesome. So if I was to injure myself again, because I'm kind of clumsy like that, let's say I'm doing some business, cool. Okay, so just for my own benefit, I kind of doubt anyone's really going to watch this video, but in case they do, I'm going to quickly talk through how this all works, because I'm still very much figuring this out as I go. So this is basically a logic flowchart, and you kind of kick off, surprisingly, with a start. And in the start state, I've just got some debug chat telling me that things are happening. I'm taking a note of the time, and I'm creating a Boolean state of false. So the Medicare state is something that I use to make a decision later, and I'm just declaring it at the moment, saying that it's false. Next, I've got a condition check. So this is run, and I guess this is like a wait until, but anyway, it's a condition that is looking at the damage of the player, putting it in the player damage variable, and then it is checking to see whether that is the damage score is greater than 0.5. And if it is, the action is to do this stuff, which is a debug, player is damaged. Then we, I probably have to change this actually, but if there's a marker, we delete it, and then we create the heal me marker around the player. It's a circle, it's red, 100 meters, and it's 0.5. Okay, so if that condition is met, if I'm injured, that will happen. So I'll get a marker created around me, and then I'll move to this state here. So I'm in the check for medics state. Now in the check for medics state, I am doing a check to see what units are in the the area, marker area that I've just created, the heal me area, which is this. So in here I check where are the units, what units have I got, in the heal me area. I'm creating a private local variable medic dude. Excuse me. And then I've got a for each check. So for every unit in this area, I'm checking if they are a medic, basically. And I know there's a few more types, but I'm keeping it simple for now. And then if there is one of these medics, I get told about it. And then I set that Medicare bool to true. And then I assign the medic the local variable medic dude, which is this thing here. Okay. Then I move to this condition. So if the condition Medicare is true, which it is, assuming that there is one of these in the area, then the action is for the medic dude to move to the position of the player. Now if this is run and there are no medics, then that is false. Medicare is false. So then I swing round to this wait state, and then I basically head back to the beginning. I'm not sure if this is working quite correctly. I am making this up as I go along. So back to the happy path. I've got the do move to the player, and then the next state is just a state, true state. So it's kind of like a stepping stone, really, until you get to the next condition. And the condition is 7 seconds passed since we tracked time here. Now again, I don't know if this is right, but it kind of works. So basically the medic runs for 7 seconds, and then we get to this point here, and then we run a check, and we're asking is the distance between the medic and the player in this state we define the distance between the medic and the player, and then we have two checks. Is it near or is it not near? So if the condition is that it turns out that the meter's number is less than or equal to 3, then we say that that is near, and we do some stuff. But if it is greater than, it should be 3, then we run another action, which is to again move to the player. And if we do that, we then have another state. This caught me out actually, because we defined t up here. Unless you redefine time, you kind of get back to here and just kind of keep tripping, which is never a good thing. So you redefine time, then you move to the player, so that's a duplicate. That's probably wrong, but it works. And then you come back to here, so you wait 7 seconds after this time, and then you check again. Sorry. You get to this point here, and then you redefine the distance between the player and the medic. And again you're asking, are you near or are you not near? If you're not near, you repeat. If you are near, then you run the heal script, which is just a debug, and then you've got the medic dude to set pos to sort of kneel, and then you medic dude action heal soldier player. That we don't need because that does that. So that's kind of mission accomplished. Then we reset time, because this is all taking some time, this healing process. So we want to reset the clock, but if we don't have a wait here, then this will be re-triggered while the healing is taking place. So we want to build a little wait here. So we reset time, which is always a cool thing to do. And then you have a condition to check, has 20 seconds passed, and if it has, you reset the FSM. And then that then goes down to here and waits for that condition to be true again. And that's it. The only thing, no, that's it, I think. Yeah. So, all I'm doing is just exec FSM and then the name of this file on the startup. So it's just a test mission. But yeah, it does seem to work. So it allows you to not worry about being healed, fully healed, as long as you've got a medic nearby. So obviously you can change the distance. There could be a kilometre. You could have a medic station a couple of clicks out, and as soon as you're severely injured, you know help is on the way. You may not know when they're going to get there, but yeah, there's a few sort of options maybe. One thing I have noticed is that I haven't reset the crouch position. So you could have possibly a follow-up action from the player, sorry, from the medic. That's interesting. So I haven't been healed. I wonder why that is. Huh, weird. Anyway, yeah, there you have it. AutoMedic script. Cool.